So now we will see how we can make a pie chart in CSS. So guys, basically we can easily make the pie chart in CSS using the conic gradient for the background image CSS property. So guys, previously we have seen how we can use the conic gradient, and apart from that we have also seen the linear gradient and the radial gradient for the background image CSS property. If you have not watched that video, you can check the playlist of the CSS tutorial. The link I have given in the description section below. So guys, basically we have seen that the conic gradient help us in order to have the gradient color being rotated from the center point. So guys, over here we are going to use that property of the conic gradient in order to make the pie chart in CSS. So guys, this is the example that we are going to make use of different colors, and we will be providing the angle for those colors as well. So let us check this with the help of example in VS Code over here. Let me just remove the previous lines of code that we had written, and then guys, inside the HTML file, what we are going to do is we are going to have the div tag over here, which will be a square div tag in this case. So we are going to define certain CSS properties over here. So let's say we provide the width as 300 pixels in this case, also the height as 300 pixels, since we want to have the square div tag over here, out of which we are going to make a pie chart in CSS. So guys, we have the width and height over here in this case. Let us also have the background color for now, which we are going to comment out later on. So let's say we have the color as aqua over here. Also we will provide the border of, let's say, 2 pixels solid border with the color that is black in this case. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page on the browser. So as you can see, this is the div tag with the width and height that we have set over here. So guys, what we have to do is, instead of using the background color over here, we have to use the background image. So let me just comment out this line of code, and simply we are going to say background image in this case. So guys, for this background image we have to use the conic gradient over here. So we say conic hyphen gradient in this case, and then followed by open and close parenthesis. So guys, using the conic gradient will help us in order to provide the gradient color from the center point and rotate it in the clockwise direction. So guys, let us check the example of that. So let me just set the first color as blue color over here, second color as the yellow color, the third color as the green color, and fourth color as the red color over here. So guys, we have the 4 basic colors: blue, yellow, green, red. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, we are starting from this particular point over here. The first color is the blue color, and then we have the smooth transition towards the yellow color over here, and then again we have the transition towards green color, followed by the transition towards the red color. So it is the sequence in which we have provided the colors over here inside the conic gradient. Now guys, how do we make a pie chart out of this square shape div element? So first of all, we need to convert this square shape to the circle shape. So what we can do is, simply we can use the border radius over here, and if you have seen my previous videos, we have the border radius equal to 50%. That will help us in order to have the HTML element in a circle shape only when the width and height values of that particular HTML element are same. So guys, basically we need to have the width and height to be same in order to have the circular shape with the help of the border radius equal to 50%. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, we have the circular shape over here for this particular div element. Now guys, we don't want this particular smooth transition that is happening between colors. So what we can do is, simply we can provide the starting and the ending point for these colors. So first of all, the blue color, it is starting from 0 degree and then it is ending at 45 degrees. So we need to provide comma, and then simply we have to provide blue again, and then we will say 90 degree over here. So guys, basically it is 90 degrees and not 45 degree. So basically it will be the 1/4 of this particular circle over here right now, and then followed by again yellow color, which is starting from 90 degree from where the blue color got over, and then followed by once again the yellow color, which should get over at 180 degree right now. So we have 180 degree in this case. Let me just save this file now and see how the changes will look like. So when we reload this page, so there are no changes right now. Let me just complete this code. Over here we have the green color, which should start from the 180 degree right now. So we have 180 degree for the green color, and again we have green color over here. So we will say green color followed by 270 degrees. So we have 270 degree, and then we have the red color over here. So we need to have comma as well. So we have red color followed by 270 degree from where it should start, and then it should end at 360 degree. So we have red color followed by 360 degrees over here. So let me just save this file now. Guys, over here we have done a mistake. We have provided the space character over here. So always remember that when we are providing the angles, we need to provide the space character after the color, but not in between the value and the DEG string over here. So you need to remember this. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, this is the perfect pie chart, and all the colors are taking the 1/4 area for this particular circle. We have the blue color followed by the yellow color, then we have green color, and then we have the red color. So guys, no longer we are having the smooth transitions over here in between the colors, because we have provided the strict angles over here, the starting and the ending angles right now. So guys, we can change these angles as well. So instead of having the 90 degree for the blue color, we can end it at 45 degree, which should be somewhere over here. That is the half of the quarter of this particular pie chart, and then we can start the yellow color from that particular point. So we have 45 degrees over here from where the yellow color should start. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again on the browser. So as you can see, the blue color is starting at the 0th degree, and then it is ending at the 45 degree, and then the yellow color is starting from the 45th degree, and then it is ending at the 180 degree over here. So guys, in this way, based on your requirements, you can provide the different angles for the different colors that you want to set inside your pie chart. So guys, in this way, you can easily create the pie chart by using the conic gradient for the background image CSS property. Apart from this, you can also display the legends for this particular pie chart along with the different values that those legends represent. So guys, comment in the comment section below whether you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is text shadow property in CSS. So stay tuned.